All right, so let's do this together kind of quickly. Well, I don't know if it needs to be done quickly. So 4.2 times 10 to the 6 plus, this is just going to be 2.25, and that's 10 to the 6.
No, 10 to the 5. It's 5.
Oh, you know what I did wrong? We got to convert it to 10 to the 6. So if I convert it to 10 to the 6, well, we did something similar. So this would be 0.225. Then we're going to say, we bring that down. Now we just add this and this. 4.2 plus 0.225 plus 2.8. That's this here too. And then when we add those up, I get 7.225. And then because this is 10 to the 6, this is 10 to the 6. Okay. So what they're doing is they're saying, okay, if I make all the powers the same power, like this is the one we'll have to change because it's not to the third power. In other words, this is to the third power, this is to the third power. That last one we need to change to the third power. How do I change it to the third power? I'm going to move the decimal over 1. So this becomes 0.1. Once they're all to the same power, then I just take this and this and this and add them up. So I'm going to say 8.5, or in this case, subtract them. 5.3 and then 0.1. When I add and or subtract those numbers, I get 3.1, 10 to the third power. It's a little shortcut. Honestly, I'm okay if you guys just plug them in the calculators. Well, that's what the problem's doing. They're subtracting. So now for number 3, if you plug that in the calculator and do all the math, it ends up becoming 5.2. Or not 5.2. It's 5. Oh, shoot. It's 5 times 10 to the 2. Right? So what do? If you have 1.25 plus 0.5 plus 3.25, if you add all that up, it's 5. And then they are all 10 to the second power. So your answer will be 10 to the second power. Here I've got 10 to the 5th, 10 to the 4th, 10 to the second power. That one's a little trickier. You just have to add them all up. So in that one, let's just plug it in the calculator for time's sake. So I'm going to, what's the first number? 6.2. 6.2. And let's use our new E symbol. E to the positive 5, yeah? Is that what it is? Plus, the next number is minus. Oops. Well, just tell me so I don't have to look. Minus what? 2.6. E to the 4. All right. Plus or minus? Minus. What's the next one? 10 to the second power, or E to the 2. Do I got it right? All right, let's see what we have. 59,000. So I'm going to copy this real quick. Yeah. We'll convert it ourselves to scientific notation, right? So when I do all this, I get this for an answer. We'll put that over here to the side. And so if I need to convert that to scientific notation, I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. So it'd be 5.9381 times 10 to the 5. Yep, that's what the book says. All right. Let's finish the rest of these bad boys. So if you just plug this, by the way, what do you think the answer to this will be? It'd be close to 10 to the 21, but if you plug that in the calculator, it's actually 10 to the 22. Notice Mr. Adams said close. This ends up becoming 12 or 1.206 times 10 to the 22. And I'm just going to, I think the rest of these you guys could do on your own. Let me check these real quick. I'll show you. I'll do these down here, and we'll leave the rest blank. This one would be 7.6 times 10 to the negative 4. This one would be 1.2 times 10 to the positive 16. This would be 9 times 10 to the first power. You don't have to write the 1, but you can. And that's basically it. The rest of these, I think you could do by just plugging in your calculator. So double check with each other. Make sure if 2 or 3 of you have the same answer, then you're probably right. Okay? Any questions? I will actually, let me do one of the division ones for you, though, so you could see. So for number 6, do you guys remember how to do the fraction thing? Right? So you could do division. There's 2 ways you could do it. You could do division, but I want to keep showing you how to enter in fractions on your calculator. So how do I do fractions? Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Click fractions, and you go down all the way down to fractions. Then you click the first one.
Yep. And so then now I just plug in what I have. What is that? That's 3.46 e to the 17. Then on the bottom, what do I have?
2 times 10 to the 9.
So now what's 17 minus 9?
8.
So my answer should be close to something to the 8, right?
1.73 times 10 to the 8 power.
Yeah, so if I count this, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 1.73 times 10 to the 8. Okay? That's it.